starts here and don't forget to subscribe. How do remote control works? Hello everybody. In this video, I am sharing few interesting informations on remote controls. Decades ago, there were no remote controls to access even a television, but today, spacecrafts are controlled remotely. First remote intended to control a television was developed by Zenith Radio Corporation in 1950, which was connected with wire and known as lazy bones. Wireless remote control was developed in 1955 by Eugene Paulet, which was known as Zenith Flashmatic. How does this remote control works? Let's see it now. We all use remote control to choose preferred content in a device without actually touching it. The devices like television that are being controlled by remote control has a sensor in its front. The signals transmitted by the remote control on pressing buttons is picked up by these sensors. Let's see an example. What happens in the remote when volume plus button is pressed? The microcontroller in the remote reads the activity, makes data packet of information what a TV should do. These packets of binary data travels to TV as IR signal. Before letting you know what happens in the TV, I will tell you about IR signal. IR signals are invisible infrared rays that travels in the speed of light. IR used in remote controls are of lower frequency and will send signal up to 10 to 20 meters. These infrared rays do not penetrate objects. That's why we used to say, "Get off the way," if any obstacle comes in between remote control and TV. And that's the reason why we couldn't operate our neighbor's TV with our remote. Human eyes do not detect infrared, but animals like rattlesnakes can detect. Now I will tell you the process at the receiving end, that is TV. The infrared signal from the remote on pressing any button will be received by the sensors in front side of the TV. This signal with data packets will be decoded, that means read by the microcontroller, which is inside the TV and understands that volume is to be raised. Thus, the job is done. This is how a remote control controls the TV. In next video, I will let you know how toy cars are controlled using a radio control. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned.